Hello, I'm Fontane, the Scar Ghost. So today I'm here to have a look with you inside the Pico Neo Eye and some applications that are pre-installed with the device so that I install later. So in this video, I also try to have a bit of fun, so no one should get angry, but some experiences are a bit weird inside here, and I want to talk about it with you. So let's start with the IOR VR. So it should be like a social VR, like VR chat or whatever. So let's play with it to have fun with this fantastic IORA. I guess it's Chinese, but I have no idea. So you see, when you start a RoboBee that is violet and yellow, immediately you are in an environment and there are no controllers here because the future is no controller. You have this interface that seems coming from the 90s and you have 3DOF. So probably something that has been made for the Pico G2. You have to type every letter just moving your head and fixing that. It's like with the Gear VR, the first one. So welcome back to 2015. And so no. Let's return back to the home environment to try the top experience. So when you buy a headset, and the first thing you want to play is some games that are pre-installed. With the Oculus Quest, there is Beat Saber. Here with Pico Neo Eye, there is Bersia. So I don't know the exact pronunciation. Sorry to my Polish friends like Simplex or Pavel. So what is Ergo Estia is the experience that you absolutely must try to have fun. So what do you want to ensure immediately? So to understand the house. So in a moment you see the interior which will help you remember what's inside your house for the valuation process. So evaluate it for the furnishing, personal belongings, antiques, works of arts and collection. So it seems a lot of fun actually it is. We are here. There's also 60OF, the best technology for high-step Versia, and you have to look around and see that there is Hold Your Pain Harold, the guy, the old man for the Mimi. So furnishing, what's the value? 9 million PLN, I don't even know what kind of currency this is. So personal belongings 5 million, I think it is 8 million. So how I did this evaluation, I have no idea. Random numbers, I guess, is the best way. So highest value possible. So now the second task, evaluate each group of items with this fantastic tutorial with all writing in Polish. So probably next. Okay, so now we are here. The second step of this great game is that we have to select the objects. We have to select what kind of object it is and give them a value. So this is furnishing. So, okay. This is this antique. Surely 9,000 pure RTV equipment. So it's a personal belongings of something. So let me do this super fast. It's the best game I ever tried on a standalone headset. Even better than the one of Beat Saber, Space Pirate Trainer. All the things that you find on the Quest can compete with Extra Versia. So I can't evaluate it because it's coming soon. So let's see the other belongings here. So the fan never ends. Now we can evaluate the fridge, we can evaluate this, lots of things. And since I've already played this game, so I'm cheated and know this wine is furnishing. So you know that wine is furnishing in Poland probably. So we have done all of this. We can do this. It seems you forgot to evaluate some of the items. So which one? But let's go on anyway. I misselected this category. It should be furnishing. Let's see, there is something else. No, it's okay. So now, bam, I don't even know what it these numbers. The Thailand evaluation 5 million. So at the beginning it was 22 million, now only 5. Yes, so fire simulation. So adrenaline now with the fires, okay? And out of nowhere, my house is in fire with different parts of the houses going on fire for whatever reason. And now I have 22 million. So I just put a random number and the insurance company gave me all these million with which I can use the water to restore all elements. So with this insurance company, you can actually ask whatever money you want and they give it to you. It's fantastic. So it's over, game over. I won probably. Fantastic, got lots of money. I put my house in fire just to have the money of the insurance, but don't tell anyone. So I market a bit this experience, but actually it's something it is made for enterprise. So the Pico Neo Eye is an enterprise headset, and so it should be used for the enterprise. And this is a training application for insurance people. So of course it's not a game. I made a bit of fun of it, but seriously speaking, it has been inserted to showcase the potentialities of the Pico Neo Eye 2. So what else we can say? We have Pico eye tracking. So let's try the eye tracking. So let's see its performances. So I've already calibrated it. Now I'm looking at the center. It's okay. Up, left, right, and down. So more or less it's okay, but it's never perfectly correct, even if I calibrated it before. So let's return back and try the mirror. And this is the mirror experience. So I'm in a house with no roof because probably I'm too poor for it. And I'm a green Picasso cactus and I have a tracking. If I press the trigger, now I have this weird whatever it is. And trigger, I make a kawaii watermelon, and I don't know why this has been chosen as a test application for eye tracking. It's okay, pretty weird. But even weirder is the game demo. So you expect a game with eye tracking, and you find it yourself inside this environment. You say, "What the fuck is happening?" There are famous warrior, soldier, don't know, a miner, someone that shoots me, a Chinese that uh, punches people, and whenever I look at one of the characters, he performs his animation. So now I look at Chinese punches, now I look at Rambo, and ta 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 ta. Now the airplane, the engines, the helicopter, the engines, and the fish, whatever it does. Why there is a fish with a parachute, I have no idea. So let me push the trigger, and what happens in this game? I'm now in a very dark environment, looking around. Okay. Now I push the trigger, and now I shoot from my eyes. It's only happening in 1 minute. I don't even know why I'm shooting from my eyes, and it's all the enemies are coming from one single location. So the game design of this game has been made from like in 42 seconds, I guess. The interface is completely wrong on so many levels, but the eye tracking is working quite good to shoot at these zombies. So now I put a push again and again with these guys, and then again dark room, and then again shooting from here, and then okay, this demo I think I've seen enough of this. Okay, so instead let's try now a better demo with eye tracking. It is Toby Mirror. And Toby Mirror is the classical experience by Toby where you're in front of a mirror to control like 60 F, and you have this fixed avatar. But if I press the trigger, eye tracking gets activated and I can move my eyes up, down, left, right. You can see they are following. There are some glitches sometimes, but it is more realistic. When it works well, I can also close the eyelids, both or one of them. And everything works for more realism with sensor social VR. And the graphics is also quite nice. It is low poly style. So I like this demo. Actually showcases the potentialities of eye tracking in a very simple way. What else? There is Firefox Reality if you want to explore the web in a with Firefox, so open web, with no problems with privacy. So let's see this 360 video, and I can see it in 360 automatically. So I can see websites in a flat manner. I can play web VR content quite easily. So now I'm Disneyland. Oh wow. And okay, mini, it's okay for me. So what else? There is classical file manager and the stuff. There was also something that I liked a lot and was probably PR Studio or the Hub, I don't remember. Okay, yes. So this is the classical Android authorization. It is not working. Okay, so it happens sometimes with these new devices that things are not happening as you expect. So let's start with other experiences. Like I wanted to show you actually the Oshape. Oshape is a nice game in VR. Probably is the best demo to demo the Pico to your friends if you want to showcase the tracking. And I don't know if you know this game, you have to emulate the shapes of the objects you see. It's like the Human Tetris, the Japanese game. So I enjoy my Monkey Island t-shirt. So I have to emulate these shapes. And then also to punch. Okay. And then oh, I'm a champion. Woo! Probably it's also the best game here. And you find it for free, it's only one level, it's a demo. Okay, that's it. I guess you got the idea. I can't play, I have to make a review video. So the last thing that I want to show you apart from Shape is another application. This is not included in the headset when you buy it, but if you go in the store, actually there is the Pico store. Pico also supports Viveport, but pre-installed is the Pico store where you can download games, experiences, whatever you want. So also select the free ones. There are also some nice games, but not as many as on the Oculus Quest, of course. There is Drunken Buffet, there is Sirento, Angry Birds VR Art Pulse. I remember having talked about it on my website on the Great Finland guy, so check out Art Pulse. And I want to show you one of the experiences that I actually downloaded. It is marketed as a game, it's not truly a game. So let me select free only, Be Your Best. So Be Your Best, you see that it talks about soccer and it's more a training experience. So even here you see the spirit of the Pico Neo 2, that is an enterprise device towards training, and this kind of stuff. And I simulate to be a center forward soccer player. And what happens is that I'm in a gaming situation where we have to score there, and I can just shoot the ball or pass the ball. But I have to look what is happening. Now at a certain point they will give the ball to me. And I have to do something. So sorry, now I lost the ball. But I have to look around, so let's make it another time. So go. So this is the situation. The goalkeeper of the blue team passes the ball, but the blue team loses the ball. So the ball is mine. I make a through pass to this guy, and this guy scores. Woo! So I see it's an evaluation of how you should behave in the business situation, in this, so not business, this soccer situation. So it's more a training, tension training, of how to interpret the situation in soccer. It's not a true game. So it's even weird that is in the game section, but actually I find it also interesting. So let me shoot the ball. It's brown. I should have passed it. So let's return to the main menu to finish this video. I think I showcased you some interesting experiences with inside the Pico Neo Eye 2. For the other ones, you can buy a Pico Neo Eye 2 and experience everything. What I have to say as a final comment on these experiences, as you see, there are not many experiences pre-installed, and also not many on the Pico store. But this is an enterprise headset, so it's made so you buy it and you create experiences for your company, maybe. So it's not something like the Quest that is for consumers and they want to play lots of games. And in fact, experiences like the one of insurance that is super boring, or the ones of the soccer are made especially for the enterprise sector. And so they are really okay to showcase the capabilities of this device. Probably I would have loved some more demos with eye tracking, because I think that since this is the Neo Eye, is not only the Neo, people should understand better what is the potentialities of eye tracking. There was a demo now, I can't remember exactly what it was, and it was good that at a certain point I was looking at volume indicator and just pressing the key, the volume raised. I didn't select that object, just looked at it, and it was amazing that the system immediately understood what I wanted to operate just because of looking there. So, but that's it for now. If you have some questions on the Pico Neo Eye 2, just ask them in the comments. Otherwise, just follow me, follow my channel, like this video, subscribe, and see you in virtual reality. Bye bye.